pinagmamalaki namin dito sa Al Carbon ay ang aming baby back ribs, double pork chops, salsa matcha chicken. Meron din po tayong enchiladas, different flavors of quesadilla and burritos. At also ang mga masasarap naming mga modern tacos. So we are starting today with the crispy barbacoa taco, soft shell taco, mixto tostada, baby back ribs, and double pork chops. So this is our soft shell crab. So it is marinated in our secret recipes. And we will drench it in flour and then we will deep fry it. So it is served with our tortilla with black garlic aioli, cabbage slaw, and pico de gallo. The soft shell crab taco. These are the most requested items since we are a modern Mexican restaurant compared to our other branch like the PK Mexican Cantina. Ang pinagkaiba namin dito sa mga katabi naming restaurants dito around the area is meron kami ditong vinyl records. If mahilig kayo sa music, you can come and join us and play music. And also, we serve good modern Mexican food. So if you want to feel the Mexican vibe, pwede po tayo dito magpunta sa Al Carbon Mexican Grill, located at 26C Courtyard Building, Sergeant Esguerra Avenue, Quezon City.